While we patiently wait for the next generation Panda to be launched in July 2024, Fiat has introduced the Pandina, a special version of the current model with improved safety kit and a new digital instrument cluster. Additionally, the Italian brand confirmed that the Panda will continue to be produced in Pomigliano d'Arco until at least 2027. The Fiat Pandina is the latest special edition of the third-generation Panda, remaining largely unchanged since it was first introduced in 2011. Over the years, the city car has gained mild hybrid technology, advanced infotainment and new hardware, but the latest update focuses on the addition of technology and safety features. The interior of the Pandina has been upgraded with a new 7-inch digital instrument cluster that has 3 different graphics modes and showcases the new ADAS in action. This is combined with a 7-inch infotainment touchscreen, a white dashboard stripe and a slightly redesigned steering wheel. Finally, the seats feature sustainable Seaqual thread upholstery with yellow double stitching and the Pandina logo on the seat backs. The exterior adopts the adventurous look of the Fiat Panda City Cross with a few unique touches. These include yellow mirror caps and a panda face graphic on the wheel covers. The Pandina name, a nickname given to city dwellers by Italian vehicle owners, is found on the rear quarter windows and side moldings. In addition to the Panda's existing color palette, Gelato White, Cinema Black, Passion Red and Italia Blue, a special edition is also available in Positano Yellow, which can be combined with a black roof. There's no mention of any mechanical updates in the press release, meaning the Panda will continue to use the same mild hybrid 1.0-liter Firefly 3-cylinder engine with 69 horsepower, 52 kilowatts/70 PS. Power is transferred to the front wheels via a 6-speed manual transmission. Despite having a 13-year-old design, the Panda remains the best-selling vehicle in the city car segment both in Italy and in Europe. Fiat confirmed that production of the model will continue at the Giambattista Vico factory in Pomigliano d'Arco in southern Italy until at least 2027. This means that the model will remain on sale with its fully electric successor. Sales of the new Fiat Pandina will begin in major European markets in summer 2024 to coincide with the launch of the new generation.